How to update the Agoda app. First of all, open the Play Store on your device and tap the search button at the bottom right. In the search bar, type Agoda and look for the app developed by agoda.com. Tap on it to go to the details page. If an update is available, you will see an update button instead of open. Tap it to start downloading the latest version. If there is no update button, don't worry, your app is already up to date. Make sure your internet connection is stable so the update completes without any interruptions. Once the update is finished, open the app to check out all the new features, improved performance, and any bug fixes included in the latest version. Keeping your app updated ensures your bookings, notifications, and deals run smoothly without any glitches. You can also enable automatic updates in the Play Store settings. This way, the app will always stay up to date without needing to check manually. Now you know how to update the Agoda app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more booking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.